Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about ninja mining. Ninja mining is a process where you survey the network hash rate and decide whether you've got a chance to get blocks or have a competitive manner within a blockchain. You can do this for newly launched coins as well as old coins, and today we're going to be concentrating on Litecoin Plus, which is now called SpiderByte with the ticker code SPB. SpiderByte used to be called Litecoin Plus with the ticker code LCP. The ticker code is now SPB, and it's one of the releases of software from the very dedicated developer Spidersbox. You can see here from the Mining Pool Stat Stream website, it's a script coin, script algorithm. The network hash rate is only 3.8 mega hashes per second. You can see the value is going up and down here. It's 0.004 of a cent with $57 in trading. You can see a couple of spikes here. The 20th, this is 21st now. If we scroll down a little bit, we can see all of the blocks being found. This blockchain is very old. One of the original blockchains. I started mining the coin at around, well, the 22nd of April 2020, and I've been mining it on and off here and there, as well as staking, because this wallet is a staker as well, proof of stake. So you can mine to it for a pool or solo mining and also receive stakes on the balance. So I've only got 1061 Litecoin Plus. You might be wondering why I'm using the Litecoin Plus wallet when SpiderByte SPB is the new wallet. You can see here with the SpiderByte wallet version 6.0.1, I was finding blocks using my little script miners, which were being accepted, but they weren't showing in the wallet or the blockchain, and that is with different peers. So all along I've been mining to the wallet. You can see here these are early mined coins, 666. These are probably from a pool. Then these little ones, little transactions, and the wallet staking. You can see here with 1061 Litecoin Plus, I've got a chance of a stake within 18 minutes, which I've just got on here half an hour ago. So back to mining pool stats. So whatever coins are in your bag, it's always good to keep a look at the hash rate. Not only the hash rate on the pools, for which SpiderByte SPB doesn't have any at the moment. There were some, but I guess they've been delisted. You can see a 3.72 mega hashes per second is not a lot for a script algorithm coin. With the value such as this, it's worth solo mining with such a low hash rate. You can see the volume here, and these are all the blocks being found. So if we go to the blockchain explorer now, you can see the staking rewards, staking, and then their proof. So that's proof of stake, proof of stake, proof of work, proof of stake, proof of stake, and so on. Proof of work, proof of work, proof of stake. So these are the bigger amounts. So if we click on this link, it should say newly generated coins. There we go, and this address here. So we're going to the top 100. See the biggest account that's got 478,000. See if it's staking. It's 14% of all the coins. got off November. It's the 21st today, 2nd of October. That all looks mined coins to me. It's every hour. Oh. Okay. I'm not sure. Maybe that is stakes. Big stakes. So anyway, we go back to the top 100. The top has got 478,000. Here a little bit. The bottom 100 on the list is 3697 with 0.11% of the coins. So if we just go to like, let's say 30,000-ish, 0.93%. This random address. When it loads. So yeah, my wallet was staking about every 18 minutes, was it? These addresses should be staking every few minutes, really. This is boring anyway, enough of that. So let's go back to the wallet. So I've got a chance of getting a stake within 18 minutes. I think it was. On here, 17 minutes. There we go. My balance is only 1,061, but that's 42,000 transactions in the wallet. You can see a block height here of 8.6 million. So what we're going to do, we can either wait for 18 minutes to get 0.004 or around that amount, or we can solo mine using script miner. So I'll try and just squeeze all this on the screen. The wallet's synced. I've set up the configuration file with my RPC user details and my password, which is very basic because I'm just local mining. The RPC allow IP is just to allow the local host here access to the wallet, and the RPC allow IP is the IP of this machine on the network. Again, to tell the wallet to let it communicate. The RPC port is the communications port. That's not the internet port, that's just a local wallet port. And a couple of other extra syntaxes here. Server equals 1 and listen equals 1. And I've got my which I'm using BFG miner, just software there. That's the algorithm. This tells the miner to use all of the USB mining hardware. That's the local host. So that could be 127.0.0.1 with the colon and then the port. Actually, that's the wrong one, isn't it? Oh dear. So we'll just close that. Squiggle in the right one. This has actually got the local host as a web address, a local web address, and that's the port there. There's the username, which is the same as the RPC info. The password is the same as the RPC info. And you see there it's all the same. So now we'll start the miner using all the details in the batch file. Let's move it over here. Just wait for the miner to boot up a minute. There we go. Unrecognized block version. That error will go away. The pool is hiding the block contents from us. And that's found the network. It's linked. And now the pool 0, the local pool, is alive. So we'll just wait for the miner to start up. Actually, something else has gone wrong. I was mining Tubo coin. Tubo! So we'll just stop that a minute. Let's start again. Tubo is an awesome coin, by the way. Everything's very colourful about it. We're still waiting for some stuff, some legitimate on the street stuff from the network, from the team. But it's a very stable network and I've been mining it for a long time. There's also a great community on Discord and the social channels. Started mining over all of the hardware available. You can see this is the block hash. This is the pool. Get work. I think that's last. It's not last share. And it doesn't matter. Found one block. I can see in here. Oh, we found two actually. One. Found two blocks. 1, 2. As these are warming up now, there will be some weird errors. I've actually got I think about 11 future bit Moonlander USB hashing sticks. I think they hash at about 3 mega hashes a second optimally. Although quite a few of them have stopped working. So I think they need a bit of a clean and a sort out. They might have overheated. But you can see now anyway we're mining coins. There we go, another one. And that's it now. We're now hitting 12.78 mega hashes. And the network hash earlier was 4. So it's now 3.5 mega hashes a second. If we go into the block explorer, hopefully we'll be able to see the blocks that have been found. Yep, there we go. QG. That is us. So now with just some very small hash, with the network hash rate only 3.24 mega hashes, we're able to find blocks at quite a good rate, considering the stake is quite low, 0.004. Okay, that was me earlier. But the proof of stakes, these ones are quite low value, 0.004. Whereas mining at 0.025, this is quite an old coin. The block number, the block height is now 8,659,050 blocks since the Genesis blocks. It's quite an old blockchain with many halvenings. But my stake chance is within 17 minutes, and that's with 1,060 coins. The Litecoin Plus wallet also is backward compatible, so even though the new wallet didn't work for me, and it was also quite clunky, unfortunately, I'm quite okay using this, as this is very stable. You can see now the blocks are rolling in. We'll come back and check the wallet in a little while. in the meantime, if you could like, subscribe, and maybe comment on the channel, that'd be fab. Okay, you can see here from the console, I guess. Well, it's not really a console, is it? The GUI. It's not really GUI either, is it? The command line mining interface that the miner's been on now for 1 hour and 14 minutes. Did start off like 1,061 coins. We've got like 2.5 coins or something. Immature 0.575. We're going into transactions. We're going to here. Like 2, 3, 7, so we didn't get 6. So you can see now how many were mined and how many were staked or mined by someone else. There's 4 and 8, 8 and 12, sorry. So there's 4 blocks between that, 10 blocks between that one, next block. So you can see now, so you can scroll down. This would be like block 48 or 49. Okay, 47, 48. So they're kind of the maximum blocks I can get. I'm not getting every block, but that's just a demonstration on how with very little mining hardware, very low hash rate, just 10 mega hashes, you can obtain a good amount of blocks in a short amount of time. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Till next time. See ya!